again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. This is our weekly market analysis for the week ending May 3rd, 2015. And if you've been following a lot of the earnings reports and news out of Europe, you know that everybody's waiting for the other shoe to drop regarding the Greek situation. And we had some negative pound news coming out of the UK on Friday regarding a weak GDP. So this is our portfolio, and we're looking at our 4-hour charts, and as you can see, the euro will simply not die. It has been rallying extensively for the past week and a half, and you can see this is a typical setup among the 4-hour charts. We've had these massive rallies, and now we're going to form this new A to B leg. Here we have X to A to B, B to C, and C to D. TDI well overbought in our market baseline in this extreme where we like to see it, and you can see at the end of the day on Friday we started to turn over a little bit and had the sell-off. Again, very typical of all of our euro crosses right now. So I'm looking to get short on a valid signal on these euro crosses. The euro Aussie, look at that massive rally straight north, and now barely selling off late on Friday, and of course way overbought, but that market baseline still not where I like to see it, so I'll wait for that to play out on that 4-hour chart. Again, the pound, as I mentioned, beginning a sell-off, so we have X to A to B, B to C, and C to D. Pull in your fibs there to look for confluences. The pound yen, virtually the same setup. New low at the end of the day on Friday at the 181.50s. GBP CAD not as strong in terms of the rally and rolling back over. Look at this massive downtrend. So we'll see if this is the beginning again of an A to B, B to C, and C to D leg back to the downside to retest these lows. One of the other things I want you to look at on these euro crosses is look left, coming into some consolidation zones across the board, and the same thing with the pound. Look left, previous consolidation and resistance, structure holding there about the 134.50s on the euro yen, and again that applies across the board. The Aussie beginning to sell off as well. And I rarely trade these Swissy pairs, but boy oh boy did we have a waterfall sell-off starting on Wednesday all the way down to new structure lows right here on the Aussie Swiss and the Kiwi Swiss, and the Aussie turning over here, and we'll see we actually moved sideways quite a bit late Thursday and Friday. Let's look at our higher time frames. Daily chart still bearish, weekly chart just moving sideways, so not looking to do much there with the Aussie. So my main focus will be the euro and pound crosses. Reminder, traders, that it is a banking holiday Monday in the UK, so do not look for much price action during the London session, but be ready for New York to see if the dollar can strengthen against the euro, and this sell-off here continues, the yen as well, the CAD, and perhaps the Aussie again appreciating, so that these sell-offs on the euro actually manifest themselves into some nice A to B short trades here on the 4-hour charts. Thanks for spending time here at the Pro Trader Network. As always, let's stay focused, follow your rules, and I'll see you next time.